As a lifelong resident, I found a new delight to take my dog for a stroll out of sight. But when the land was sold, we had to part and find a new path where we could start. But now we walk on public footpaths for sure, in Eastlands Park Farm, public right-of-way, hand in paw. The beauty of the countryside, a sight to behold. With every step we're never alone, never to grow, never to grow, never to grow old. We live stream our walks for safety's sake, a new routine we never want to break. Through fields of gold and meadows green, our furry friend and I, we roam with ease serene. But now we walk on public footpaths for sure, in Eastlands Park Farm, public right-of-way, hand in paw. The beauty of the countryside, a sight to behold. With every step we're never alone, never to grow old. So let us walk with our dog by our side, on public footpaths where nature provides. Eastlands Park Farm footpaths we stride. Walking my dog Gizmo in the countryside. Eastlands Park Farm's beautiful paths we stride. Flashlights on day and night we walk through fields of green, no time to talk. Walking with my faithful friend Gizmo by my side, never an end. Footpaths lead us through the night, making memories that shine bright. Eastlands Park Farm is our playground, where we explore and run around. Gizmo's happy tail wags in delight as we walk together day and night. Footpaths light up our way, leading us to a brand new day. With Gizmo by my side, we'll never be left behind. Walking with my faithful friend Gizmo by my side until the end. Footpaths lead us through the night, making memories that shine bright. Walking my dog Gizmo in the Eastlands Park Farm, underneath the starry sky, feeling so calm. In the countryside we roam day and night. With each step we take, everything feels right. Walking with Gizmo, feeling free in this peaceful place. Just him and me, the grass beneath our feet, the wind in our hair. In Eastlands Park Farm, we have not a care. Through fields of green and forests deep, Gizmo by my side as I hum to the beat of nature's song that surrounds us here. No worries or fears when he's near. Gizmo, feeling free in this peaceful place. Just him and me, the grass beneath our feet, the grass beneath our feet. In Eastlands Park Farm, we have not a care. Bridge. Sunshine on our backs as we wander through. The beauty of this land is so true. Gizmo wagging his tail as the explorer has in store. Walking with Gizmo, feeling free in this peaceful place.